Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to discuss the topic cloud computing. I hope all are doing well and staying home safely. So before lockdown, one of your friend has already discussed this topic cloud computing meaning and features in the allotted seminar topic. So now I will continue this one and I will discuss some of the models of cloud computing. But before moving to the models of cloud computing, let's discuss once again or let's recall the meaning of cloud computing. What is this cloud computing? So cloud computing, we all know we have a feature in our mobile and also in the laptop systems and the computers. So, cloud computing here, in the sense, in the simple terms, which we all know, is just storing the data online. Without any storage space in our physical devices, we can easily store some percentage of our data online. And if we want more data to be stored, we can pay for it and we can store n number of data online. That is called as cloud computing. So cloud computing, in simple terms, it means just storing the data online. So the meaning is it is a practice of using a network to store, manage and process the data via internet. That's what I told you, that it is just a process or a practice where we can store, manage and process our data with the help of internet without any physical space in our devices. Let's move to the service model of cloud computing. So there are three models or three types of cloud services provided. So one is SaaS. So SaaS, it is the full form is software as a service. So SaaS means software as a service. Next is PaaS, PaaS. It means platform as a service. Next, last is IaaS. It means infrastructure as a service. Let's discuss it one by one. So first one is SaaS. So SaaS, the full form is software as a service. So what is this software as a service? So it is a software distribution in which the third party hosts the application to make available to customer. So before discussing or before going in detail the definition of this SaaS, first look at the products and services of this SaaS. So I think all of you know all these products. We have used these products a lot. See, first example is Google Drive. So what is the use of a Google Drive? Obviously, it is just like cloud computing where we can store our data. So if we don't have space in our mobiles, the storage space, if the storage space has fulfilled, then also we can upload the photos, we can upload the images, videos and important documents in Google Drive application. So in that app we can upload all those things with the help of internet, and whenever we need we can access to those documents by visiting the Google Drive and downloading it. Next is Google Hangout. So Google Hangout, it is a chatbot where we can chat to our friends. Google Documents. So Google Documents, it is just like Word document where in Microsoft Word we are making the text documents. Here also in Google Documents we can make the documents and store it. Next we have Google Calendar. Next we have Google Sheets. So Google Sheet, it is just like Excel. So Microsoft Excel, in that we used to we used to do the things which are in terms of numbers. So making mark sheets, making tables with the help of tables, graphs, etc. We all do that in Microsoft Excel. So like all the functions of Microsoft Excel has in Google Sheets. Next we have Google Slides. So Google Slides, the function of the Google slide is just like PowerPoint. So like with the help of this Microsoft PowerPoint, I am making your class. So with the help of Google slides also, same way I can make the class, I can make the PPT, and also I can upload. Next last is Google Forms. So Google Forms, it is helpful when we want to do any kind of investigation. So like your seniors have projects in this semester, so for collecting the data they need to prepare the questionnaires. So questionnaires can easily be prepared with the help of this app that is called as Google Form. So all these are available for us without any payment, right? We can visit to, and some of these apps are built in our mobiles. So Google Drive, we don't need to download it from Play Store. Google Hangout also, in our Gmail we can access to it. Google Documents, Calendar, Sheets, Slides, and Form, these are the apps which we can easily download it from Play Store. So SaaS, software as a service, it is the end product which is available to the end customer. So we don't need to put much efforts to access these types of applications. So here the users are the end customers, the end users, that is the persons who are using the particular devices. So like in this device, in your mobiles also you will be having Google Drive, Google Hangout also. So SaaS, it is just the end product, end stage of the application. So here now look at the meaning. It is a software distribution in which third party hosts application to make available to customer. See this. First is infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. First stage of making an application is infrastructure as a service. Next is platform as a service. Third is software as a service. So the end stage of making a software or making an application is giving it to the customers. So giving it to the customers, we will take this software from the PaaS, platform as a service. So platform as a service means here the third party will deliver the software to the end customers. So infrastructure as a service means the persons who are making the applications, that is the network architects. So here the engineers, the system developers will come. System developers will make the software and they will deliver to the third party. Here third party in the sense, the examples of Google Drive. So Google Drive will be made by some specific software engineers or system developers. After making that, they will deliver it to the Google company. So Google company is the third party. After getting the Google Drive, the Google company will give it to the end customers. So this is how the cloud service models process. So next one is platform as a service. So as I told you in the first slide, the example of Google Drive. So here infrastructure as a service, it is the first stage. Infrastructure as a service, it is the first stage. Next is platform as a service, second, and software as a service is the third stage of making the apps or the applications. So if we take the example of Google Drive, so Google Drive, this app will be made by engineers. Okay, so engineers will make it by the use of the network architect. Next, after making this application, they will give this application to the company owner, that is to the Google. So here Google is an intermediary or the third party between the customers and the person who has made that application. So platform as a service means here they are providing one platform with the help of the third party to reach those apps to the end customers. So here the users are the developers, in the sense the company owners. Here now see the PaaS product and the services. So Google App Engine. So we saw a list of the Google apps. Google Drive, Hangout, Documents, Calendar, Sheets, Slides, and Form. All these are the apps of the Google. So this will be made by the Google engineers with the help of the Google App Engine. So with this app, they will make the n number of apps of the Google. Like that, Amazon. Similarly, there are Amazon Web Services also. With the help of this, the Amazon is also making some of the apps for their company. So platform as a service means they are the third party. So it is a cloud computing model in which the third party provider delivers hardware and software tools. So to make an application, we need hardware tools also and software tools also. So all this will be provided by the third party to make that particular application. So here Google App Engine, Amazon services are a best example for the platform as a service. Next and the last one is infrastructure as a service. So as I have already told you, here the network architects, so in simple terms, engineers or the system developers. So the users are the network architects, the persons who are making that particular application, making those particular settings, all that which is in technological form. So all those things will be done by an engineer only. So it is a form of cloud computing where virtualized computing services are provided through the internet. So here the examples are Amazon EC2 and Rackspace. So Amazon EC2, so the full form is Amazon Elastic Compute. Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud. Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud. So the work of this is, it is a web service. It is a web service that provides secure and resizable compute capacity in the cloud. So to help the developers who are in the third party, to help them, this app will help them to resize the cloud computing activity. So Rackspace is also a cloud service manageable app where they are providing and hosting the cloud services. So these are the apps which are helpful in making the applications. So this is all about today's class. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comments below or in your WhatsApp group. And if you found this video helpful, please like the class and share it to your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.